Whiteheads removal. Before-after transformation, whiteheads are different from blackheads. They don't sit on the surface the same way. Instead, they stay trapped inside closed pores and slowly build up over time. What looks like small skin bumps can actually be hidden congestion beneath the surface. Today's treatment focuses on whiteheads removal, before and after transformation, through deep pore cleaning. What are whiteheads? Whiteheads form when oil gets trapped inside pores, dead skin blocks the opening, the pore stays closed. Unlike blackheads, they don't oxidize with air. That's why they stay white or skin-colored. Why they affect skin texture. Even though they look small, whiteheads can change how skin feels. They create uneven texture, tiny bumps, rough surface appearance. Step 1. Deep cleansing prep. The treatment starts with a gentle cleanse to remove surface oil and prepare the skin. Step 2. Softening the pores. Warm steam helps loosen trapped buildup inside closed pores. Step 3. Whiteheads extraction begins. Extraction begins carefully. Whiteheads start releasing from closed pores step by step. Step 4. Deep pore cleaning. As more congestion is removed, the skin begins to look smoother and cleaner. The texture gradually improves. Step 5. Before-after result. After treatment, the difference becomes clearly visible. The skin looks clearer, smoother, more refined. Step 6. Recovery calm finish. A soothing treatment is applied to calm the skin after extraction. Final results. Before, whiteheads and uneven texture. After, cleaner pores and smoother looking skin. A satisfying before and after transformation. Final message. Even small bumps can affect skin texture, but deep cleaning reveals the real difference. If you enjoyed this whiteheads removal before and after transformation, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more satisfying skincare videos.